Hello and welcome. As we gracefully navigate the journey of life, our bodies undergo remarkable changes, and with these changes, our nutritional needs evolve. What once worked perfectly for our diet might need a thoughtful adjustment to continue supporting our vitality and well-being. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and incredibly powerful concept, the synergy of food. It's not just about what you eat, but how certain foods work together, enhancing each other's benefits when consumed at the same time. Think of it as a culinary partnership, where the right combinations unlock a greater potential for your health. This video is dedicated to uncovering smart food pairings specifically tailored to support your health, boost your energy, and enhance your overall well-being as you age. We'll delve into practical, easy-to-understand strategies that can make a significant difference in how you feel every day. Our core message is simple yet profound. Food truly is medicine, and by understanding the right combinations, you can make that medicine even more potent. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge and transform our plates into powerful tools for a healthier, more vibrant life. Our first essential pairing focuses on the bedrock of our physical structure, our bones. As we age, maintaining strong, healthy bones becomes increasingly crucial to prevent fractures and support our mobility and independence. This is where the dynamic duo of calcium and vitamin D steps in. Calcium is the primary mineral component of our bones, providing their strength and structure. However, simply consuming calcium isn't enough. For our bodies to effectively absorb and utilize this vital mineral, we need a crucial partner, vitamin D. Vitamin D acts as the essential key that unlocks calcium's benefits, allowing it to be absorbed from our digestive system into our bloodstream and then deposited into our bones. Without sufficient vitamin D, much of the calcium we consume might pass through our bodies unused, diminishing its potential impact on bone health. Think of vitamin D as the gatekeeper for calcium. It ensures that the calcium you consume actually gets to where it needs to go, strengthening your skeletal system from within. This partnership is non-negotiable for robust bone health. So where can we find these vital nutrients? For calcium, excellent sources include dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, which are well known for their high calcium content. If dairy isn't an option, leafy green vegetables such as kale and collard greens are fantastic plant-based sources. Many foods are also fortified with calcium, including some cereals, orange juices, and plant-based milks, making it easier to meet your daily needs. When it comes to vitamin D, one of the best natural sources is fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish provide a significant amount of this sunshine vitamin. Egg yolks also contain a modest amount of vitamin D. Beyond food, our bodies can synthesize vitamin D when our skin is exposed to sunlight, making a short, safe period outdoors a beneficial practice. Now, let's talk about practical pairings to maximize absorption. Consider enjoying a serving of salmon alongside a glass of milk or a yogurt parfait. Another excellent strategy is to have fortified cereal with milk, and then, if possible, spend a little time outdoors in the morning sun. This combination ensures you're getting both the calcium and the vitamin D needed for optimal absorption. The benefits of this powerful pairing are profound. You'll be actively working towards stronger bones, significantly reducing your risk of fractures, which can be a major concern as we age. Furthermore, improved bone health contributes directly to enhanced mobility, allowing you to stay active, independent, and enjoy life to the fullest. This simple dietary adjustment can truly empower your physical well-being. Our next crucial pairing addresses energy levels and vitality: iron and vitamin C. Iron is an indispensable mineral, playing a central role in our body's ability to transport oxygen. It's a key component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from our lungs to every cell and tissue. Without adequate iron, our cells don't receive enough oxygen, leading to feelings of fatigue, weakness, and a general lack of energy. This condition is known as anemia, and it's particularly important to prevent as we age. The challenge with iron absorption lies in its different forms. Iron found in animal products, known as heme-iron, is readily absorbed by the body. However, plant-based iron, or non-heme iron, is much less efficiently absorbed. This is where vitamin C becomes an extraordinary ally. Vitamin C significantly enhances the absorption of non-heme iron, transforming it into a more absorbable form. It acts as a powerful facilitator, ensuring that the iron from your plant-based foods doesn't go to waste. So what are some excellent sources of iron? For heme iron, red meat, poultry, and fish are top choices. For non-heme iron, you can turn to legumes like beans and lentils, spinach, fortified cereals, and tofu. These plant-based options are vital for those who limit or avoid meat. And for vitamin C, citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are classic examples, bursting with this beneficial vitamin. Bell peppers, especially red and yellow varieties, are surprisingly high in vitamin C, even more so than oranges. Strawberries, kiwi, broccoli, and tomatoes are also excellent sources. To put this pairing into practice, consider making a spinach salad and drizzling it with a lemon-based dressing. The vitamin C from the lemon will dramatically boost the iron absorption from the spinach. Another fantastic idea is to prepare a bean or lentil stew and add plenty of bell peppers or tomatoes. Even a simple snack of iron-fortified cereal with a side of orange slices can make a difference. The benefits of this pairing are clear and impactful. By combining iron with vitamin C, you significantly increase your iron absorption, helping to prevent or alleviate iron deficiency anemia. This translates directly into improved energy levels, reduced fatigue, and enhanced overall vitality. You'll feel more alert, more capable, and ready to engage with your day. Our third essential pairing highlights the importance of healthy fats in unlocking the full potential of certain vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are unique because they are fat-soluble. This means they require the presence of dietary fats to be properly absorbed and utilized by our bodies. Without sufficient healthy fats in your meal, these crucial vitamins might simply pass through your digestive system without being absorbed, rendering their presence in your food less effective. The mechanism is straightforward. When you consume foods rich in these fat-soluble vitamins alongside healthy fats, the fats act as carriers. They help transport these vitamins across the intestinal wall and into your bloodstream, where they can then be distributed to the cells and tissues that need them. It's a vital partnership for maximizing the nutritional value of your meals. Let's identify some excellent sources of healthy fats. Avocados are a fantastic choice, packed with monounsaturated fats. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is another cornerstone of healthy fat intake. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, provide beneficial fats along with other nutrients. Fatty fish, like salmon, also contribute healthy omega-3 fats. Now, for the fat-soluble vitamins themselves. Vitamin A is abundant in colorful vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens such as spinach. Vitamin D, as we discussed, is found in fatty fish and egg yolks. Vitamin E is plentiful in nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, and vitamin K is primarily found in leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli. To create practical pairings, consider adding a slice of avocado to your scrambled eggs, ensuring the healthy fats aid in vitamin D absorption. Drizzle olive oil over your spinach or carrot salad. This simple addition will significantly enhance the absorption of vitamins A and K from the vegetables. You could also snack on a handful of almonds alongside a serving of carrots. These combinations are not only delicious, but also nutritionally smart. The benefits of this pairing are extensive. You'll experience enhanced absorption of these critical vitamins, leading to improved vision, especially vitamin A's role in eye health. Your immune function will be strengthened as vitamins A and D play key roles in immune response. Furthermore, vitamin D contributes to bone health, and vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone metabolism. By incorporating healthy fats, you're ensuring your body gets the most out of these vital nutrients, supporting a wide range of bodily functions. Our final pairing focuses on the often underestimated powerhouse of our body, the gut. This pairing involves fiber and probiotics, working together to promote a healthy digestive system and overall well-being. Fiber is crucial for maintaining regularity and preventing constipation, a common concern as we age. It adds bulk to stool and helps it move smoothly through the digestive tract. Probiotics, on the other hand, are beneficial live bacteria and yeasts that reside in our gut. They play a vital role in maintaining a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. The mechanism here is symbiotic. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, meaning it provides nourishment for the good bacteria or probiotics in your gut. It's like providing the perfect food source for your beneficial gut flora, allowing them to thrive and multiply. When probiotics are well fed by fiber, they can more effectively perform their functions, such as breaking down food, producing certain vitamins, and protecting against harmful bacteria. This creates a healthy, balanced gut environment that supports your entire body. Where can you find these digestive champions? For fiber, excellent sources include whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Legumes such as beans and lentils are also packed with fiber, as are fruits like apples and berries, and vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. For probiotics, fermented foods are your best bet. Yogurt with live and active cultures is a popular choice, as are kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and tempeh. To create practical pairings, start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with a dollop of plain yogurt. The fiber from the oats will feed the probiotics in the yogurt, creating a powerful digestive boost. Another great idea is to enjoy a whole grain sandwich with a side of sauerkraut or kimchi. You could also add beans to a stir-fry and serve it with a fermented vegetable side. These combinations are simple ways to nourish your gut. The benefits of this pairing are significant. You'll experience improved digestion and regularity, helping to alleviate issues like constipation and bloating. A healthy gut microbiome also contributes to enhanced nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most from the foods you eat. Furthermore, a robust gut is linked to a stronger immune system and even improved mood. By nurturing your gut with fiber and probiotics, you're investing in your overall health and comfort. We've covered some incredibly powerful and practical food pairings today, designed to help you maximize the nutritional benefits from your meals. From strengthening your bones with calcium and vitamin D, to boosting your energy with iron and vitamin C, enhancing vitamin absorption with healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins, and nurturing your gut with fiber and probiotics, these simple combinations can make a world of difference. Remember, small, consistent changes in your dietary habits can lead to profound improvements in your health and well-being. You have the power to make informed choices that support your body's evolving needs. This knowledge is about empowering you to live a more vibrant, energetic, and fulfilling life. While these general guidelines are highly beneficial, everyone's nutritional needs are unique. We always recommend consulting with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. They can provide tailored recommendations based on your specific health conditions, medications, and lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. We truly believe that by understanding and implementing these smart food pairings, you can truly eat well, live well. If you found this information helpful and empowering, please take a moment to like this video. And for more valuable health tips and nutritional insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to create content that matters to your well-being. We appreciate you and look forward to sharing more with you soon.